Analyzing the market growth metrics on the display, we anticipate a significant uptrend based on these projections.
In a world advancing faster than anyone ever imagined, a silent revolution is underway, and most people still don't realize how deeply it is about to impact their lives, their careers, and their future. It feels as if humanity is asleep, unaware, while artificial intelligence continues to evolve, grow, and learn, quietly, powerfully, at a pace that no human can compete with. No industry can slow down, and no old system can control. This is the part of the story where the truth steps in like a sharp twist. Your profession, no matter how stable, respected, or traditional you believe it to be, is standing right at the edge of a transformation so massive that it will reshape the entire meaning of work as we know it. Some people welcome this new chapter with excitement, but millions feel something else, a rising fear deep inside, wondering if their skills, their education, their dreams will survive what is coming. Because this is not just change. It is a wave, a force, a storm. Across New York, Silicon Valley, Europe, Asia, and every corner of the developing world, something historic is happening for the first time. Machines are not only lifting weight and doing routine tasks, they are thinking, analyzing, writing, designing, diagnosing, evaluating, and making decisions. Things humans once believed were exclusively theirs, safe from any. Machines' reach have now become optional, replaceable, automated, and just like every great story, the world we once recognized is vanishing much faster than anyone expected. Jobs once considered future-proof are disappearing without warning. Customer service roles fall first, replaced by AI systems that can simultaneously talk to millions. Designers watch entire branding campaigns created in seconds. Programmers see AI write, debug, and optimize code at a speed no team could match. Translators and writers witness complete books, documentaries, and scripts produced in minutes. Lawyers see contracts and legal analyses done with impossible accuracy. Teachers see AI tutors personalize lessons for every student. Doctors see AI diagnose illness from a scan before the human eye even detects a hint. Financial analysts try to keep up as AI tracks entire markets in real time. As automation rises like a giant tidal wave, so does fear. Because if machines can think, create, and make choices, what role is left for humans? How many professions can survive this storm? The truth in this chapter of the story is brutal but honest. Only those who adapt, evolve, and transform themselves into something more valuable than a machine's output will thrive. Everyone else will be swept away by a tide that has no sympathy for comfort zones, routine, or old achievements. But every great story has a twist, and this one is no different. Because this is not just about job loss. It is the birth of a new era. When old roles collapse, new industries rise. New demands appear. New creativity is born. New ways for humans to rise again emerge.